Yonah Mountain, my favorite hike to do when visiting the northern Georgia area. And trust me, there are a lot of cool things to do out there. Just wanted to share this beautiful hike with you so you can enjoy it too. Let's go. Yonah Mountain is part of Georgia's southern Appalachian Mountains and is very prominent as it stands high between the lovely towns of Cleveland and Helen. It's one of the most popular hikes in northern Georgia. It got its name from the Cherokee Indians. Yonah was the word for bear, and it was also known as Bear Mountain. You can park at the Yonah Mountain trailhead and start the hike from there. Depending on what time of year it is, you might want to arrive pretty early to ensure you get a spot. The Yonah Mountain Trail offers incredible views from start to finish. For a good majority of the trail, you'll be hiking through the trees and forest as you make your ascension. It's moderately strenuous at times due to the continuous upward climb, but for the most part, I wouldn't say it's too difficult. Round trip, it's about 4.4 miles, so you'll want to make sure to give yourself a comfortable 2 to 3 hours depending on your rate of speed. The first time I hiked this alone, I was unaware that there was a U.S. Army training camp up the mountain. I was shocked to suddenly approach a group of men in full camouflage and weapons. I raised my hands in surrender as I approached, not knowing what was going on. That was one for the books. I've been hiking Mount Yonah for a little bit. Had an interesting climb so far. Ran into military training. I thought I was gonna get shot. These guys are all just hiding in their military gear. You can't see them. But anyway, I'm just, I don't know, getting closer to the top of Mount Yonah. And it's quite beautiful out here, even though it's cloudy. But looking forward to the summit. Throughout the hike, there are numerous beautiful overlooks and spots to simply stop, take in the views, and contemplate the beauty in front of you. The higher you get towards the summit, you'll have to scramble over some boulders. It's not too difficult, but you want to make sure to be safe and not get too close to the edges. There's a large section where the military practice rappelling off the giant boulder in the mountain. It's pretty awesome to see, but you definitely have to be cautious while hiking that section as it can be dangerous. All right, look who I ran into up in the mountain, guys. What are your names?
Sergeant First Class Ryan.
My name's Tim.
You guys know me, I'm Manny. Guys, thank you for your service, and this is amazing up here. What do you think of this view?
It's the best. We get to come here once a month. It's the best job on the planet.
Awesome. Support the troops. Peace. When you finally reach the summit, you'll be on a large, open, grassy field surrounded by trees and the insane scenery. You just have to take it all in. On the summit of Mount Yonah, and I had some amazing views around here. I guess up here is where they do like campfires and stuff. Yonah Mountain, Cleveland, Georgia. Beautiful. I love this hike and definitely recommend it to hikers of all levels. A huge plus about this place is, when you finish the hike, you can drive over to Yonah Mountain Vineyards and sit outside and enjoy the delicious wines while taking in the views. We'll explore that in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Cheers, friends.